wait until it's actually fully loaded and then to cut it out. I hope y'all having a good day, audience, and a good night. I'm a goofy ass person sometimes. I laugh sometimes. Audience. Okay, cool. Did it say where we killed each other, or did it say on the time we blew up each other? I don't know. I can't hear you. Oh yeah. Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it. Yo, did you get the thing as well? Double thing? Yes! Oh, yes, man. Hell yes. I love that. There's another Seiko over there. Want to go kill it? Bitch. Bitch. Come back here, bitch. No! There's another one right here. Yeah, bitch. I got it. I got it over here. I got more. Come over here. I got two bed up bodies right here. One, two, one. Oh, it's working. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. There's another one right here. One, two, three. One, two, one. You didn't time that pretty well. Oh, you did. Huh. I don't know. I have four. Three flares. Two sticks. Speaking of that. He knows why I did that to audience. He knows. Yeah, you're blind. Speaking of that. 45 feathers for me. 45! God, one day I'm gonna be 45 and I'm just gonna be miserable. Oh, I can't wait to not be miserable. Fuck you, Jeff. Fucking hate you. What can I write for you? Eh. Yo, I actually told him to do something. I do is stop him. Stay clear. Clear for 5 minutes. Here, you go tell to him, Al. See if that worked. Back to you. I don't want to do anything with him. I don't even know why I even talked to him. Fucking hate Jeff. Fuck Kevin and fuck Jeff's name. We can collect them over time. We can make him a trophy eventually. You do it. I don't want to. I genuinely need water. Yeah, I think I have one. Yeah, I do. Starfish? Oh, I can't kill it. How would... I still don't know where to find the pot is, though. I think it's in this cave. I'm being dead honest. What if it's actually in the cave? You want me to go in the cave and see? What, did you look it up? That's what you're doing? Hey. Okay. Okay, you just told me to walk off and go get stuff, but we can split a cave too if you want. Make your mind up. No, you don't. Wait, we should have saved. I'll be fine. We already had ours. Yo, told you. I told you we should have looked in the cave. Found flares. Ammo. Told you. Oh, that turns on. Turns it off. Oh my god, ammo. Ammo, baby. Oh, what the hell? A note? There's a note right here. I'll let the audience look at it for a minute. They want to read it. I don't know. I got the location of a tracking thing. I'm equipping the torches to see. Come on. We're going down. Or not. Come on, lizard. Okay, there's more light right here. Got my axe out. You behind me still? Oh yeah, the lighter. Forgot about that. I got to how to freaking crouch in this game. Damn. Bruh. I'm getting now how to crouch. Hold on, I gotta get my axe out again. Yo, throw a torch. I only have 3 left. Raw meat. Yo, you can eat this. Yeah, we'll be fine. Hey, there's a feet. Yo, let me throw a torch. Don't walk up. Yeah. You don't know what's in front of here. I don't want you to get killed on accident because we... Floaty? Floaty? Yo, what? There's nothing around here. Oh! Oh, God. Yo. Yo. Front of us! Front of us, you dumbass. Why would you... Oh, alright. I got you back. Behind you. I didn't know it was one behind you at the time, and you just fucked me. I'm coming back. Shit. I'll be right back. Wait, there's a new animation! Yo, I got a new animation! Yo, where are you? There's a new animation. Every time you die, there's a new animation in this world. I got my... Are you dead? I'm coming back. Don't respawn. I told you to don't respawn yet. I'm trying to revive you. Okay, I respawned you. Behind you, behind you, behind you. Fuck, bitch! You just killed me. I'm just gonna wait. Revive me. It doesn't take that long. Just hold it. It literally doesn't. You dead? Let me revive, and I'll just revive you. Because clearly you're not a good killing machine in this one. I'm trying to help you, dumbass. Hold on, I'm coming back. You dead? Your stuff should still be in here. I'll wait for you. No, it says you're still alive for me. I'm coming toward you. Wait, no, you're dead. Just come back and get your stuff. Alright, come on. Let's go back over there. Come on. Come on, let's keep going. We're fine. Let's keep going. No. We love each other, audience. Don't worry. All the cussing and crap we do, we don't care. Oh, yo, this one's trying to run against you. I got this one. This is mine. Oh my god, damn! He one-shotted me just now. I'll revive you. I'll revive. I know, I'm reviving right now. You're actually having somebody watch your stream. That's crazy. Grab my stuff. How'd you revive? I thought you was down. At least we got bodies. I don't need that. Oh, yeah. I got a grenade. Come here. I have a grenade in my hand. Oh, shit. Bitch didn't die. You get it from behind. It's not attacking me. I'm gonna try to revive you. Oh! I revived you! Bitch thinks he can revive me. You son of an idiot! Trying to revive you. I tried to revive you. Oh god, where is he? Okay. Back up! He's right on you. He's gonna attack you. Come on, bitch. Oh, I got him! I got him! He dead. Hell yeah. I think we can. Wait, we can. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Yo. Well. That's nice. Hold on, I'm gonna use a torch to see what's that way. I think that's a way down there too. Are we going this way or that way? I hope it's not a limited time how many times you die. Oh, there's stuff. I mean, some items might be down here. There's stuff. Yo, there's a cave. Whoa, it's dark. I'm hoping no audience right now has a fear of darkness. Sorry if you do. Maybe I can increase my brightness, maybe. I don't know. Right now, I'm not doing that. I get killed, not trying to pay attention. Bro. There's more stuff. There's a shark! That's a fucking shark. And I found rope. I found rope and a shark. Yo. Are we risking this for the biscuit? Move, I can't get down. I'm risking it for the biscuit. For this shark. Oh, there's clothes. There's fabric down here. There's fabric. Oh, no. Yo, there's torches down here, man. A bag. Come down here. There's oxygen. I think that's oxygen. Or a new bag case. I will in a minute. I'm collecting all this shit. Bones? Oh, we hit the jackpot. Hold on, let me see if there's a way. Yes, there's a way. Come this way. Where I'm at. I didn't see that. Wait. Oh, it's flesh. Hell yeah. I mean, in the leg. Fuck dear God. How about I jump in the water? Oh no, wait. Can we jump with the floaty, maybe? I think there's a pathway down, but the shark's in the way. I don't have any more grenades. I already got bones. What? I already got that. But both our games are different, remember? Oh, wait, there's string on this side. Come over here with this. There's string. Just walk around. You can walk around. There's got to be something down in the water, but the shark is hovering. I don't want to die, because I feel like if we get killed in the shark's going to kill us. Try to get it over here in the corner. Maybe we can stab it with a... Hold on. I'm about to combine my weapon. Pipe bomb? Yo. Yo, I need a watch. How many strings for the pipe? Oh wait, we need a lot of materials. But we don't have any arrows. Bro. Come here, Sharky. Stop coming out of my ears. Stupid thing. Shit! I jumped in it. Wait, he didn't attack me. Or he didn't see me at the time. Holy crap, he is hesitated. Holy shit, get up away from that edge. Floyd, get away from the edge, idiot. He can jump his head up out of the water, too. Why does it keep connect? Does it have a magnet inside this thing? Hey. Come here, bitchy. What are you trying to make? A bow? Hello? Oh, why did you jump up? Can't use weapons. You don't even have arrows, so there's a point to... Wait, you actually have arrows? I am out of the way. Alright, I think I have one more. Ah, oh, damn it. Shit. There. There's only 3 then. Messed up and throw one. Yes, I think I do. Oh wait, yeah, I can give... I think I can give you it. Hold on. It won't give me sticks. Let me give you sticks. I can give you bones. That's it. They can't get in the water either. They won't allow us. Come on, bring my back out. I'm gonna try to make a Molotov and see if that works. Combine. He's underneath the water now. Shit! There he is. No, Molotov doesn't work. What are you doing down there? We're just fucking around. He's not even attacking me. Flesh. Do you have anything? You don't have any more arrows? That's why you should collect sticks. I don't have any more grenades though. I used a grenade. I guess I didn't use the Molotov. I'm gonna try to get him on this side. Get out of the water. I'm gonna try to get him over to me. You try to hit him while he's over at me, okay? Come on, buddy. Come on, Sharky. Oh, come on, jump up. Come on. I'm right here. There he is. Attack him. Oh, man, he's almost dead. We can drink the water here. Oh, shit, I'm about to die because I'm stuck in the water. Fuck. Get up, you dumbass fucking dude. You throw your arrow, dumbass. I didn't. Oh, shit, he got me. I just got an achievement. Revive me. Revive me. Revive me. Hey, we can make him towards me and you can kill him. You can drink the water here too. Come here, bitch. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Oh, I got him. No, I didn't. I hit the shark. I didn't mean to fucking hit you, though. Running for the shot. Bitch ass boy. Can't even see him where he's at. Oh, yeah, you're gonna cower over there? No, 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 no. You're coming over here with us where I'm at. Come on, bitch. Oh, can't. I already tried. Just pushes it out of the way. Come on, bitch. Come on. Come on. Get him! Get him! You got him? Alright, if you didn't get him, revive me before it dies. We found a glitch in this game. It's perfect. Oh, where's my stick? Bitch, left over there, huh? Oh, shit! Revive me. Yes, you can. Alright, revive me. Revive me before I die, dumbass! Thank you. More focused on the shark. We can't even harvest it. What the point is this? Bro. Go back up for oxygen real quick. Is it? I'm checking real quick. No. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. I'm going towards straight where the shark was guarding. You behind me? Yeah, you are. Oh, shut up. I'm not hungry. Let's eat some raw flesh. I'm gonna probably do something, I don't know, later. Yo, what the hell is going on in here? I don't know. I'm trying to go up. This... I am. Where are you? I don't even see you in front of you. Oh shit, we are. At least we know where it is. Maybe later we can get more oxygen and explore more. You want to do that? Or just wait? Fuck you, Kevin. No, he doesn't. Why did you make him follow you? What the hell, man? What in your brain? Where the fuck did you... why would you put it in follow? What was your brain in that moment to put follow? I hope Kevin dead, though. Since you made him follow. That was an idiot moment. He's right here. Something too. I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna check out this. Huh. I'm gonna follow the objective and see what this is. There's waypoints now for us. You wanna follow with me? We alright. Stop telling Kevin to follow. Tell him to go. He will get back to the base if you tell him to go cut wood. Well, that was your fault because you should have not had him follow. I don't know what you're thinking. I didn't tell Kevin to follow. So if he dies, it'd be your fault. Because I didn't say anything. Come towards me. Kevin to follow. There's one behind you, by the way. Two of them. I'll take one of the bodies. You take the other. Where is it? Oh, it does that in time. He dropped a package, so I'm picking that up. Okay. You really should not have him follow. No, I gave him a clear. You give him the command to follow. So you can't. You didn't need to tell him to follow. You could have easily told him, "Hey, go get some wood." Okay, doesn't fucking matter. Calm the fuck down. I'm not biting your fucking head off. Yes. Yes, it does. If I was actually fucking serious about it, I would be doing it. But I'm not. No. No. Shut up. Oh, good food. Me. Me, caveman. Me wants to bast your head in. You have the oxygen mask on. Why do we have an oxygen mask still on ourselves? Wait, we can unequip it. I'm gonna unequip mine. Perhaps. Sleep. You told sleep. Me sleep. I'm also gonna save. I don't lose any of that progress. Take your oxygen off. You don't accidentally waste it. Where's the fire? Yeah, I'll just make a new one. Oh, they're in the daytime now? Nice. Oh, there's an... Oh, wait, there's Kevin. I'm on fire. What the hell? How did I get on fire? It's your kill. I'll put some food and legs on there to cook. If you're hungry. Let me take the freaking body. I'm trying to put his body in there. It won't let me put the body in there. There's a bone right there. Somehow he faced through the earth. Stop throwing me so far, man. The one thing they didn't get right was the throwing command. They tossed this stupid zombie thing. useless. Okay, fine. I know, I put the meat on there. No, I put some meat. I put, I had, I had 5. You're not the only one put some down too. Video says about mine too. Now I only have 3 left. I put 2 down and put legs down there. I'm good. I don't need any meat. You can take all the bones and craft yourself something. I'm good. You are? I'll take the rest. If you are. I'll take the rest. Oh my, I'm about to am too. Oh wow, I am. Well, we're filled up in bones. I found it. We can wear it. What's on the right side of mine? I'm looking. Hmm. Ooh, more stuff. Oh yeah, those bags mean some good shit. Sometimes. Ooh, more food, coins, medicine. Ooh. I'm looking for the bones. Where's the bones? Oh, there. What do I need to make bone armor? 4 bones. Mm-hmm. Oh, it tells you what materials you need, though. Do I have none? No, I don't have enough for bone armor. I don't have any materials. Leaf armor? Fire armor? Stone fire armor? What? I don't want to use the stick rope for that. We need to make that roof now. Huh. True. Get some pebbles. I don't think I can give you that. Get my health back. There we go. Now it's coming back. I gave you all the stones I had. You said pebbles? There. Damn it. Wrong thing. Pebbles. And you said stick. Alright, I did sticks and pebbles. And feathers. You said feathers. 2 sticks. And 2 feathers. What? Let me see if I can give you the arrows to you too. Since you have the bow. Oh, I can. You believe? I have 4. Why would you shoot it? You don't even know where it is now. Just waste that arrow. Yeah, you don't even know where the arrow is and you're looking for it now. That was such a waste, man. Brother, that was just a waste of arrow. I would have shot it closer if you're gonna shoot it. That was retarded. How many arrows do you hold? You can hold. I need more pebbles. Do you make you more arrows? Because I made you a few more. Where is my... I took my oxygen off if I needed it. What time is it? It's about to be 2 o'clock. You want to stop here though? You have work tomorrow? Just save real quick. Yeah. No. No. I know what you're thinking. No, we're not doing that. We are not gonna do that. No. At least take your freaking meat shield off if you're gonna do it. Take the meat shield. I don't know. I don't know if it would. Good thing Obliques took mine off just in case. Oh great, he's gonna do it. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. And you threw it away from us. Alright. Did you leave already? You need to cut yourself off. Oh, I'm still recording. Where's my bag? Oh, why did they put your bag so far? We're not at your base area. Alright. I'm getting off now.